Let's draw this figure in front of us. So our dimensions are in millimeters. So we're gonna come here, we go new metric standards millimeters, then we say create. So here we are going to start with rectangles. So there is our first rectangle. All right. Then here comes our second rectangle. Okay. There our fourth one. So our third one. And here is our fourth. We need to make sure that this one here is 95 millimeters. Yeah, good. This one over there needs to be 15 millimeters. And from here to there, I need to have 30 millimeters. This one there needs to be 70 millimeters. Okay, 70. That one over there needs to be 15 millimeters. Okay. And from here to there, I want to have 27.5. Okay. Then after that, there to there, this one here needs to be 5 millimeters. From here to there, I need to have 55 millimeters. Okay. And this one here, from there to there, that one needs to be 3 millimeters, and that would be 15 millimeters. Yeah. Now that I have that in place, I need to make sure that from here, okay, from here to there, that need to be 40 millimeters. Okay. Now that I have this in place, okay, what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna draw this rectangle over there and this line over there. Okay, so I need to make sure that this one here is 5 millimeters. All right, and now this one here need to be in line with that one. Okay, and from here to there, that one needs to be 15 millimeters. Good. Now that I have that in place, what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna go on 3D. No, before I go on 3D model, I'm going to draw this over here, and I will make sure that from here to there I have 30, so 30 millimeters. All right. Now that you have this in place, I'm gonna go on 3D model. I'm gonna go and extrude. Now I'm going to extrude this rectangle by 40 millimeters. So 40. I need to use that one there so as it can be, my drawing can be centered, okay, according to the plane. Then I'm gonna say plus. Okay, I'm going to extrude that one and this one over here. Okay, then I'll say plus. The next thing is I'm going to extrude that one by 25 millimeters, so 25, like that. Okay, all right, I'll say plus. Now I'm gonna extrude this one here by 10 millimeters, so 10. Okay, so I'm going to cut in the between. I'm gonna say cut. All right, now that I have that in place, I'm gonna say okay. All right, after that I'll go visibility on. I'll go on 3D mode and I'll click on revolve. Now I want to revolve this one here against that axis. I'm going to create a hole there, then I'll say okay. Right, and I need also to cut that one over there. Okay, so I've forgotten to cut it, so I'll say, what is it, that. Okay, so I'll cut it. I'll say 55, like that. I'll say cut. There you go. This is what you want to have. Then I'll say okay, as it is here. That's one over there. Then I'll say visibility off. All right. Then I'll come here. That's one. I'll create a fillet. Okay, and this one here with a 12.5 millimeter, 12.5 millimeter radius, like that. And then I'll say okay. After that, I'll come here. I'll create a fillet as well of 30 millimeter radius. The same applies here. Good. Then I'll say okay. Now you have the figure in front of you. The next thing that you want is to choose the material. No, but before you choose the material, you need to create over there, you need to have a fillet there of 5 millimeter radius. Okay, the same applies there. Alright, so you can have the same figures the one that you see in front of you there. So come here, then I'll choose the material. Okay, you can also choose the color if you want afterwards, and I'll say this one here needs to be in carbon steel. Where is carbon steel? Here we go. Now you have this beautiful figure or object in front of you. It was a pleasure of mine sharing this video with you. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you're gonna enjoy it. For now, I'm gonna ask you to take care of yourself. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to like. See you on the next video. Bye.